Welcome back to another rendition of Math is Easy, step by step. So we're continuing the test questions for the GED exam, math exam, and we're continuing in determining which option below is the very best answer in terms of P, So again, we have the values of x equals p to the fifth, y equals p to the negative 2 power, and z equals 1 divided by p, or 1 over p. So we have our expression here, and you're going to want to substitute the values for x, y, and z into these expressions. And as you've been following along with me, you will find this particular test question, if you've been following my videos, to be very, very simple. I certainly hope. Go and let me explain these expressions, and then I'll give you the options. I want you to stop, pause the video, try to answer this question on your own. So we have in parentheses z to the third power divided by x to the second power times y to the fifth power raised to the power of 0 plus. In parentheses, we have 1 divided by x times y times z raised to the 0 power. So if you've been following along my videos, this will be a pretty simple problem to solve. Now, we have options A, 0, option B, 1 divided by x, y, and z, option C, 1, or option D, 2, right? Test taking strategy. Your answer is supposed to be in terms of P. Your answer should be in terms of P. So you can cross off that option B, 1 over x, y, and z. That's not in terms of P. Now option A, 0, option C, 1, and option D, 2 are also not in terms of P. However, they could be actual correct answers. Let's go through that now. So you can see both of these are raised to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0, if you've been watching my videos, you know is 1. Anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. That means everything in this side the parentheses is raised to the power of 0. It's got to be 1. Plus, these terms inside the parentheses here are also raised to the power of 0, which means they're also equal to 1. What is 1 plus 1? That gives you 2. So answer D is the correct answer in this particular problem. If you've been working with me, you know that. This was an easy one. For those of you that have been following along, checking out my GED type question videos. So again, anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So the first parentheses set to 0 is 1. We had a plus sign in between the parentheses. Then the next set of parentheses was raised to the power of 0, which is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. The answer here is D. The answer here is D. So try to remember, math is easy. Take it step by step. If you would like to watch my videos on exponential powers, I go over anything to the power of 0. I also go over fractional exponential powers. What do those mean? And trying to help you understand math is easy. Take it step by step. Thank you for joining me. Please like, follow, and share these videos. Thank you for your gifts, your donations, your tips, your stars. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate your time.